All right, grade 8. Well, we are moving right along here in chapter 4. Find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line. So we started talking a little bit about slope-intercept form. We want to remember that the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope, b represents the y-intercept. That's where it crosses the y-axis. So, in that now, our job today is to find the slope when we know the ordered pairs. When we know 2 points on the line, because of course all we need to make a line is 2 points. When we know 2 of those points, it's about finding the slope. And there's a formula that goes with that. And that formula is essentially m, as I used m for slope, so my formula is going to be m equals, okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now remember, slope is like rise over run. Rise, talking about how far up and down. Run, talking about how far left and right to go. Remember, we have a positive slope that rises from left to right. Then we have a negative slope, which falls from left to right. So, what you're actually going to be doing today, and we're just going to do 2 examples. This is not going to be a long video here for this one. You know the ordered pairs, 1, -1, 6, 2. Now what we need to remember about negative pairs is negative pairs are always written as x, y, okay? The x coordinate, how far left or right, comes first. The y coordinate, how far up or down, comes second. So, if it's y2 minus y1, it means I'm going to the second y. That's y2, the second y. That's 2. And then it says minus y1, which, well, y in the first one is -1. This is the first ordered pair. This is the second ordered pair. 2 in the first order, or 2 in the second ordered pair is the y coordinate. So I put 2. Then it wants minus y1. Well, y1 is -1. That's the y coordinate in the first one. So it's minus -1. That's being put over x2 minus x1. My x coordinate in the second ordered pair minus my x coordinate in the first ordered pair. My x coordinate in the second ordered pair is 6. My x coordinate in the first ordered pair is 1. If I need to, I can plug these into my calculator, but we want to remember when I subtract a negative, it's like I'm adding. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. We always make sure that our slope, which is usually just going to be a fraction, rise over run. Sometimes it might be a whole number if this number here, the run part, is just 1. But we always want to make sure it's in simplest form. 3 over 5 is in simplest form because no number other than 1 can go into both 3 and 5. The slope of the line that goes through these 2 points is a positive 3/5. Let's look at this second one, okay? Once again, thinking about our slope y2 minus y1, okay? Well, y2 is -3. y1 is -3, so minus a -3 over x2. My x in the second ordered pair is 5. My x in the first ordered pair is 2, so it's -2. -3 minus a -3. So this is like minus a negative. So it becomes a plus. -3 plus 3 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. That tells me that there's no slope. It's not slanted. And that actually makes sense because the y coordinate in both is -3, which means that this line runs horizontally parallel with the x-axis because the y coordinate, how far up or down, is not changing. That's finding slope. We'll review it a little more in class. That's all for now, 8th grade. Talk to you later. Bye.